Hi everybody, this is Pramita here, and today I'm here to share my latest digital kit, which is called Bleu. This is French inspired uh, digital paper, of course, and it also has ephemera along with it. So it is actually a 24 sheet kit, and it has 12 journaling papers and 12 pages of ephemera. Now, I am a big fan of ephemera. As you people know, I like to have lots of ephemera in the journals. So I went with equal divisions, like 12 sheets and 12 ephemera sheets. So let's begin the flip through. Now, the papers are not arranged in any particular order. I have just assembled them and I will show you the rest. So this is one of the pages. Now this time I have done the kit in US letter size, so you will have no problem in printing um, in the US. So this is the first kit, and I love how the muted blues and there are certain lavender accents that I have put in. It's really nice. Some papers are very subtle, so that is the first one of the pages. This is another one, and this is another one, the third one. Now, as I said, they are not arranged in any particular order, but there are eight main pages and four background pages, and I absolutely love how this has turned out. Very bluish and very subtle. This is another page. So this is a fourth page. And if you want, you can cut these down and make journal cards. Like, you can cut this portion up and make a journal card or pocket or whatever. So that is why I have chosen to layer up things in this way. So this is the other one, and this is another page. This is, I think, sixth page. This is the seventh page, and this is the eighth page. No, this is the seventh page. Sorry. Love this birdie. Very cute. And it looks so nice on the backdrop of that frame. So I had to do it. I had to put that. This is another one. Again, a flowering can of sorts. You can see this is a very springy kit. And if you're interested in working on that, sorry, I just bumped against the camera. And if you're interested in, like making a spring French Provence kind of theme, you can do that also. So that's that. And then we have four background sheets. You can print them at the back of your main pages so that you have double-sided pages, or you can back them up on your journal cards and tags. So this is one of the pages. This is another one. This is the other one. So absolutely love how it has turned out. And this is the fourth one. Okay, and then we come to the ephemera pages. Now the ephemera, I have printed these in a 160 GSM paper. I don't know what is the pound weightage of that, because we usually use GSM as the thickness measurement of thickness. So it's 160 GSM, and it's like a cardstock paper, pretty sturdy. So this is one page of 3 tags. This is the other page of 3 tags. So 2 pages. Now we get to the interesting ephemera part. So you have a lot of fussy cutouts, some mini tabs, and if you want to embellish your pages, make clusters, you can use these. And then we come to this page. Now this also has a lot of tickets. So these are like mini pockets. You can make them into pockets. This is a mini ticket. Some ticket ephemera, and then we have this envelope, and I wanted to put a bouquet sort of thing over here. I really love how it has turned out. And this one is also nice. So this is the next page. Now this one is a little bit tall because I wanted to show you that you can use longer ephemera or broader ephemera in your journals also, or you can cut this up and make it into two pieces. So you can do that also. Here there is another piece of ephemera, lots of ephemera, and we will start a project using, alternating with the Spring Garden and the Bleu journal papers and kits. So this is another page with ephemera. Now this one is very interesting. It has these tabbed file folder sort of thing, which can be made into pockets, which can be made into ephemera, which can be made into tiny booklet covers, whatever. This one is also something very similar, but this one has a tab on the top. Some fussy cut butterflies, some ephemera cards. This one, like this one I have aligned in this way, sorry. And then we have this card, and this one is another interesting card. Some more. This is totally French inspired, and you can see you get a ton of ephemera. So this is another one, the same kind of file folder. So I have done this because if you want, you can make it into a tiny booklet of sorts. You can just add a spine and then make them into two parts, two sides, some fussy cut butterfly, flowers, and again a tag. This page is of envelopes, and the envelopes are basically neutral color. Only the the front part has an image. So there are two tiny envelopes and one a little bit bigger in size. And then we come to the journal cards. There are 2 sheets with 8 journal cards. So you have these. So that's basically 24 pages. They come in 4 zipped files, 2 ephemera zipped files, 2 zipped files for ephemera, and 2 zipped files for your pages. So this is my newest kit, which is already listed in the shop. So if you're interested, you can go and check that and see how you like it. I have also launched another kit, which is basically a set of templates. Now I will show you how to use those templates with the Spring Garden kit. So I will show you how to use that. So you have to wait for maybe a day or two while I start that, because right now I'm super busy, and you will also see a lot of new items listed in my shop. So thank you everybody for watching this. Bye. Have a great day.